Welcome. This is the Dentist News Network, and I'm Scott Drake with my guest, Dr. Charles Waite, an orthodontist in Scottsdale, Arizona. Dr. Waite, good to see you again.
It's good to be back.
Well, not all of our viewers know about the advances in aesthetic orthodontic treatment in recent years and the growing number of adults who are seeking that type of treatment. Can you talk to us about the aesthetic treatment, what it is and why it's become so popular?
Well, as you know, everybody's concerned about their appearance, and aesthetic braces are using tooth-colored appliances or braces to straighten the teeth or other rather invisible means to get the final result, nice straight teeth, alignment of jaws using a non-obvious mechanics.
Well, Dr. Waite, it says at their website that InVu Braces offers personalized color matching technology. Can you compare InVu braces to other ceramic braces?
Well, what's a little different is that you really don't see them. They blend in with the tooth. Some of the other ceramic brackets have a little glow to them. They reflect light and they look a little bit like an ice cube. They're brittle, and some of the other ones pick up staining from coffee, wine, and so forth. These brackets are non-staining, and they are tooth-colored, and they use a color matching technology in making these brackets that actually makes the bracket look like it's part of the tooth.
So, Dr. Waite, with this type of product, obviously the patient has aesthetics in mind. What do you hear from patients after they've gone through treatment?
I've had fantastic feedback from my patients with these brackets. Some of the patients have had the other competing clear type brackets, and the patients like these brackets. They don't break, they're low profile, they don't stain, and patients who are worried about how their appearance is going to be with braces like these brackets.
Compared to regular ceramic braces, with InVu braces, is the treatment time the same or shorter or longer?
That's a good question. And the answer to that is these brackets do not take longer. They are either equal in treatment time or faster. The mechanics is similar to the metal braces. They don't come off as much as metal braces may, and they do not break, so they actually can shorten treatment time.
To help get the best result possible, one important aspect is proper dental hygiene and dental care. Can you talk about that?
Oh, that's key. That's really important. The secret to having really nice sparkling teeth after you wear braces is good oral hygiene during orthodontic treatment. And we recommend the normal brushing, of course, either electric or manual. Water flossers, oral irrigation devices are a big help with braces. We want to keep the gums nice and pink and healthy, and the teeth in good dental health. So oral hygiene is very important always, but especially while wearing braces.
I think, Dr. Waite, that many people, when they talk about orthodontic treatment, they're talking about aesthetics, but there is a functional aspect to it as well.
Well, there is 3 phases actually to simplify it with braces. The one phase you alluded to is aesthetics. Make your teeth look good, and that's what usually patients are concerned with. And that's relatively the easiest part of braces. The second phase, or the second part of treatment, is aligning the jaws, the top jaw with the bottom jaw, in other words, skeletal alignment. And the third part, which a lot of people don't think about, is the relationship of the lower jaw to the base of the skull, the temporomandibular joint. A lot of patients have joint problems. They're directly related they can be directly related to their occlusion and their outcome of their orthodontic treatment. So it's very important.
Dr. Waite, finally, can you share a success story from one of your patients?
Oh, wow. There's so many success stories. I'm not even sure where to start. From the youngest patients who've had these aesthetic braces and they're into singing, auditioning, into filmmaking, all the way up to vice presidents of major corporations like Dial Corporation. These patients have worn these braces and they rave about them, and they do not interfere with their normal everyday activities. Patients really like these InVu ceramic clear braces.
Once again, he is Dr. Charles Waite in Scottsdale, Arizona, and you're watching the Dentist News Network.